Want a class that will actually teach you something you use in everyday life? Photography is that class. Mr. Vanderveen, who has 12 years of experience, teaches this class and after so long has experienced many different students who changed their mind about photography after taking the course.
I feel like as time goes on, they start to recognize what is good work and what isn't, and so they get more involved with what they're doing and they're more critical of what they're doing.
Despite many students having an interest in the course, the program has a major problem. They are looking to update the equipment with many pieces of technology out of date.
Mostly it's the physical things, like we need a bigger dark room, we need a studio space to photograph in. That's not the dark room. In the dark room we need more enlargers so we can have the whole classes do it.
Why do students take photography? For freshman Calvin Miller, his dad played a huge role in his love of photography.
I chose to take photography because my dad is a huge camera nerd. He has like 34 cameras in his office and a giant 9-foot camera from the 60s that he's been working on for about a year now.
Being a student in photography, Calvin has talked with many other students and their opinions have largely changed from the start of the year.
A lot of people thought they wouldn't like photography, but then end up just like were able to hang out with their friends there or just like wander around, and they found out a way to have fun with it.
Photography's been around for a long time and hasn't changed much, but for Calvin Miller, that's fine.
I don't know, I feel like photography is good the way it is. I feel like it should stay a subject.
Altogether, photography is a great experience for students to learn and apply their knowledge, not just in school, but into the outside world. So if you get the chance to take photography, do it, as it's well worth the time spent.